Hello children, welcome to Saraswati Shishu Kunj Vigwala Board Sir. How are you children? Doing revision? Okay. So, of course, right now you have to study, right? Then you will get Diwali vacation, right? And you are already enjoying the vacation from so many months. But right now you have to do your work, right? So, this is a revision 2, and I took in this revision question 2, A, B and C. First of all, I will tell you that don't forget to take out print of these worksheets. Okay? Whenever you will take out the worksheet xerox or print, so you can write your all the answers in your worksheet. Okay? And you can do the practice how many times you want to write. Okay, children? And you will get answers also. So you can see the answers, you can see the spellings, and then you can fill your answers in your printout. Okay children? So now let's get started. Our question to A is identify the words from the jumbled letters. What are the jumbled letters? You can see here. Double L, A, B, O, O, N, S. No meaning of this spelling because these spellings letters are here and there. So that is called jumbled letters. So we have to arrange all the jumbled letters in proper way. So then and then you can find or you can get the complete spelling of that jumbled word. Okay. So and write the words in space provided. Here you will get the space in your paper. So you have to rearrange this word. You rearrange this jumbled word and then you have to write the correct answer in the blank. Okay. So I took this question from poem 5 and you will get half mark of each answer. So this is weightage of this question 3. The question 2A, the weightage of this question is marks is 3. So you will get half mark of each. Okay children. So now the first one is double L A B double O N S. So first of all you have to see, concentrate, continuously you have to see these letters. Then and then you will get the idea. Your mind will set. Okay, your mind will set these letters. So definitely you will understand this is the spelling of balloons. So the correct spelling is BALLOONS. Balloons. You have to require this practice 5 times. Okay. You write in your rough notebook 5 times this spelling, so you will get to know. Then after 2 number CUNLH. So what is the correct spelling of this? LUNCH, lunch. What is the spelling? LUNCH, lunch. Then 3 number ULBE. So what is the correct spelling of this? BLUE, blue. Is it easy? But when you will see this, you will think, which is this spelling? Which is this? But whenever you will see the answer, you will see that this is very easy spelling. BLUE, blue. 4 number is PLOEEP. What is this? This is wrong spelling. So what is the correct spelling? PEOPLE, people. PEOPLE, people. Then after WOLBE. So what is the spelling of this? So correct spelling is BELOW, below. In sometimes what happens? Another spelling also can make. You can make ELBOW, elbow also, right? But try to write this spelling which I already given you. So write this spelling BELOW. Then after 6 number CRAT. So which is this spelling? So the correct spelling is CART, cart. CART, cart. 7 number is MREAKT. So what is the correct spelling of this? So the correct spelling is market. MARKET, market. In balloon man, right? MARKET, market. 8 number QSAUER. What is the correct spelling of this? Correct spelling is SQUARE, square. SQUARE, square. The balloon man stands at the square of the market, right? Square, market, right? So So whenever you will learn the spelling, it will use in your question answer also. If you will learn the spelling of square and market here, so very easily you can write the answer. The balloon man stands at the square of market, right? Ninth number is YTTERP. So what is the correct spelling? Pretty. 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 Then 10 number SNNYU. So what is the correct spelling of this? The correct spelling is SUNNY, sunny. SUNNY, sunny. 11 number is PLEPUR. So what is the correct spelling? Correct spelling is PURPLE, purple. Correct spelling PURPLE, purple. And the last spelling, 12 number NEERG. So what is the correct spelling? Correct spelling is green. GREEN, green. Okay, GREEN, green. Now next question. Our question 2B is, put the words given in the box into the following groups. You will find 3 groups, okay, in your exam. Okay, here I gave you more practice, but in exam you will get only 3 groups. So this question I took from poem 5, and you will get half of each mark, means 3 marks, half you will get. If you will write one answer right, so you will get half mark, other answer you will get 1 mark. Like that way you will get only 3 out of these all. Okay, so you can see first of all the bracket. Okay, so first of all let me show you the bracket. Chapati, sky, green, grass, yellow, rice, lion, pineapple, ladyfinger, cabbage, tiger, banana. So whenever you will get the answers from the bracket, you should just keep in your mind that now you have to put these all words according to their groups. Whatever groups you will get, you have to write those. You have to choose the correct answer and you have to keep in that proper group. Okay. So now first of all, nature. So what you will take from this? You can see the sky is nature. So here you have to write sky, 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 and then whatever you will see there from here, so you will see grass. Grass is also nature. So you will write sky and grass in nature group. Now B number, food. So now what you will take? So you have to write, suppose what is the food of this from this bracket? So first of all, you have to take chapati. So here you have to write chapati, 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 and then the second is rice. So here you have to write rice. Chapati and rice both will come in food group, right? Then after C, colors. So what are the colors? So first of all you can find green. So green is color. So here you have to write green and then yellow. So here you will write yellow. Green and yellow will come in colors group. Now D number, fruits. So which are the fruits in this bracket? First of all you can see pineapple. Okay. So you have to write pineapple here, and then which is the other fruit? Banana. So you have to write banana in the other bracket. So pineapple and bananas will come in fruits group, right? Then after vegetables. So which are the vegetables in the bracket? So the vegetables are ladyfinger and cabbage, right? So these both names you will write in vegetables group. See, ladyfinger, cabbage. Ladyfinger, cabbage. Then after wild animals. Wild animals you have to find from the bracket. So which are the wild animals in the bracket? So first of all, you can see tiger and lion. These both are the wild animals. So you have to write in wild animals group. Tiger and lions. See, nature, sky, grass. Food, chapati. You can't write other animals name in wild animals group. Okay, you can't write by yourself. Don't write elephant in the wild animal group. Okay, whatever words you will get in the bracket, only and only you will classify those words in their proper groups. Okay, now question 2c. How do you like to eat these vegetables, raw or cooked? Raw means without cooking, directly you can eat. If you are bringing tomato, no need to cook that, right? We are cooking, we are making tomato sabji, right? But you can eat directly the tomato, right? So some vegetables you can eat directly, means after cooking also you can eat. Okay, for example onion, after cooking also you can eat onion, but directly you can eat raw also. But some vegetables will come in only cooked column, because only and only after cooking you can eat. You can't eat them directly raw. Okay, so in previous exam what you have did, you have tick mark here, but in this exam what you will do, you will write the spelling. Okay, suppose this is the column of vegetables, this is the raw column, and this is cooked column. So what you will do, you will see the first number carrot. Okay, so carrot will come in raw column, because directly you can eat carrot. Before cooking also you can eat, without cooking also you can eat carrot. So you have to write carrot in the raw column, no need to do tick mark. Okay, compulsory you have to write the carrot spelling in raw column. Okay, don't write here nothing, you don't, no need to do here anything, no need to do cross or write. Okay, now the first one is carrot, so carrot will come in raw column. Okay, so you will write carrot here, CARROT. Then after 2 number turnip. Turnip also you can eat raw, and turnip also you can eat cooked, but you will mention turnip only in raw column, no need to write in both column. Okay, sometimes you are writing in both column, no, only you have to write turnip in raw column, TURNIP, turnip. Now next 3 number is potato. So potato will not come in raw column, potato will come in cooked column. Okay, see here I written here potato, so POTATO, potato will come in cooked column. Then after 4 number onion. Onion you can eat raw and cooked also, but only and only you will write in raw column, ONION, onion you will write in raw column. 5 number is beans. Okay, beans you will not write in raw column. You saw here I put blank. Okay, I did anything? No, no tick mark, nothing. Okay, so beans you will write in cooked column, because each and every beans you can eat only after cooking. Okay, 6 number is tomato. Tomato you can eat both ways. Okay, some are making tomato sabji also, but we will write tomato in raw column only. Okay, so here in raw column you will write TOMATO, tomato. Then after 7 number cucumber. Cucumber also you can eat both way, raw and cooked, but you will not write here, you will write only in raw column. Okay, so CUCUMBER, cucumber you will write in raw column. Then after 8 number brinjal. Brinjal you will not write here in raw column, you have to write brinjal in cooked column, because you can eat brinjal only after cooking, directly you can't eat brinjal, right? Then after 9 number is cabbage. Cabbage also you can eat raw, all are eating raw cabbage, right? Whenever mother is cutting, then also we can eat the cabbage, but no need to write in raw column, because every time mother is making cabbage sabji and then you are eating with the chapati, right? So cabbage you will write in raw column. Okay, write in cooked column, you will not write in raw column. So CABBAGE, cabbage will come in cooked column. Okay, then after 10 number cauliflower. Cauliflower is also like cabbage. Whenever mother is cutting, so we can eat cauliflower, but especially we are eating after cooking with chapati, right? Mother is making cauliflower sabji and we are eating with So cauliflower will also not come here. Cauliflower also you will write in cooked column. Cauliflower, cauliflower in cooked column. Then after radish, radish you can eat in salad, right? So radish will come in raw column. Radish, radish will come in raw column. Here you will not write anything. Then after 12 number spinach. Spinach will not come in raw column. Spinach will come in cooked column. After cooking you can eat spinach with dal rice and roti, right? Chapati. So spinach will come in cooked column. Spinach, spinach. Then after 13 number garlic. Okay. So garlic also we can eat raw. But here we will write garlic in cooked column. You will not write here. Okay. So garlic will come in cooked column. Garlic. Garlic will come in cooked column. Then after 14 number ginger. Ginger also we can eat raw, but no need to write in raw column. So you will write mention ginger in cooked column. Ginger, ginger will come in cooked column. Then after cucumber, cucumber will come in raw column because we can eat cucumber in salad, right? So we can eat cucumber sabji also, but we will mention in raw column. Okay, cucumber, cucumber will come in raw column. Then after 16 number beetroot. Beetroot also we can eat both ways, raw and cooked both, but we will not mention in cooked column. We will mention in raw column. Beetroot, beetroot. Beetroot we are usually we are eating in salad. Okay, so it will come in raw column. This is very simple question. Sometimes you will feel confusion, so you will try to write in both columns, but don't try to write like that way. Some we will keep in raw and some we will keep in cooked. Otherwise so many answers will come in cooked column. So try to mention only like this way. Don't use tick mark. Okay, write the spellings in the correct column. So like that way you can do your revision. Whatever I am instructing you from here, like that way you can take out your prints and then you can write your answers in your worksheets prints. Okay, and correct your whenever you are writing your spellings, keep in